This dude, he just woke up. Did you sleep good, buddy? Yeah? Macy's been up for a while. Paige and Mommy are at the pool. You want to go to the pool, bud? You want some breakfast? Okay, I'll get you some breakfast. And then we're going to pack up and head on out to Bowling Green, Kentucky to go see Mammoth Cave. What?
Kentucky.
Yeah. We're in Arkansas right now. We got to go about 4 hours and we'll be in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
No, we had to go to Kentucky before we went to Mississippi.
We had to go through Kentucky to get to Mississippi. You're right. We're heading back home, making our way back.
We're going in a circle?
Sort of. Okay, I'm finishing rounds. I got the big slide in. Jake and Paige and Jen are at the pool. I'm going to wait on Jen to take in the small slide. So after the storm in Mississippi, when we brought our slide in, it was kind of slow. And then when we got here and took it out, it was like kind of crooked. And we had to take it back in and then take it out. And it went out okay. So I want her here when we take it back in just so I can check some things. I did try to do a reset on the slide where you take it out a few inches and then back in. I did that a few times and then it seemed to go out just fine. So hopefully that fixed it. Our slide toppers, however, both sides on the big and small slide, there's tears. So I climbed up there and put tape on them. Yeah, we got a laundry list of stuff. We got a chip in the windshield, which I could get that fixed. That's not a big deal. Our stair motor broke, which we've already ordered that, so that's coming. So hopefully by the time we get back, we'll get that fixed. But I'm kind of worried about this slide. Hopefully it's okay. That wind was pretty crazy. But anyway, when they get back, we're going to pack up and head out of here.
All right, so we took a little detour through downtown because I-40 was blocked. This is Overton Park. And look at the entrance to this park. It's kind of cool. We're going to see it when we turn here in a second. Can you see much of it from your seat?
Yeah, there's all these bicycles like stacked on top of each other.
It's kind of neat.
Stop.
Continue on Sam Cooper Boulevard for 6 miles.
Made it. That drive took a lot longer than I thought it would. Lots of traffic.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's like a heavy, we went through Memphis.
Uh-huh.
And then we went through Nashville.
Yeah.
So both of those, even though we were pretty close to the speed limit, it's still a lot of traffic.
Mm-hmm.
So, and it rained. And we had a couple slowdowns. But, like...
It rained.
Yeah.
I was setting up.
While we were driving.
Yeah.
Which causes a little bit of slowdowns.
So we've got
a laundry list of things to fix?
Well, not so much. I think the slide might be better.
Maybe.
Since doing the reset thing. Because it came out fine.
Yeah, it did come out fine. We'll see if it goes
we'll
in
see.
okay.
We do, yeah. But we have a power pooper. I'm flushing.
I think we have 2 power poopers in this family.
We told you about earlier. Somebody clogged the toilet in a How do you? It just falls down. How do you? It was clogged. And now I'm flushing the black tank because, well,
We gotta flush the black tank now. Apparently, when we do.
it was clogged. We've got some power poopers.
Yes. Well, I mean, and if they're going to do that, we
Well,
need to
when you
put
eat all this delicious food,
He doesn't even eat this food.
He
eats
doesn't.
mac and cheese. That's
I
it.
don't know. It's like a rock.
and cheese.
I don't know. Who
That's all he
knows?
eats.
Maybe he holds it for like 4 days and then drops a brick.
It's Jake. Jake's the power pooper, guys.
Oh well. Well, I gotta go check on the.
Yeah, we're making
Situ-
another HelloFresh tonight. Look at this one.
Ooh yeah.
1 pan Santa Fe pork tacos, except for we're using ground turkey instead of pork tonight.
Yummy.
Because
Well-
we get a lot of pork from HelloFresh, so
Yeah.
I decided let's substitute ground turkey for the
instead.
pork, just something different. Use
Yeah.
that Southwest seasoning, so it doesn't really matter what
It's
we do.
good. I like it either way.
Yeah.
And then
Exactly.
what's this? The red things that are on there.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. That's delicious.
Red cabbage. Well, so you
Cabbage
put
is
it like together with like mayonnaise and cilantro, salt, pepper, and just like a little bit of sugar,
Yeah.
and it makes like a
It's yummy.
salad to go on top. So this one is really, really easy. This is a 1 pan, really quick, pulls together in 20 minutes.
Jake and Paige are riding scooters in the rain, sliding around. They were upset the pool isn't up here, but I get
It is
it.
under construction or
It's
something.
under
I don't know,
construction.
but-
They might be redoing it. The bounce pad's open here. This is a holiday, so it's got a bounce pad. So we're gonna do that. I've
yeah,
gotta
and
go.
the price wasn't ridiculous.
Yeah,
You know, like if we paid $120 like we did at Buckeye Lake that one time,
Yeah. Uh huh.
and the pool and like other stuff not be open, then
Then
I'd be
it's
pretty
frustrating,
frustrated. I mean, we can't do anything about the weather,
No.
but
They can still have fun in a little bit of rain.
yeah,
It's all
it was
good.
only $63 a night.
Yeah,
For a
so
holiday, that's cheap.
That's reasonable.
Cheap.
Well,
For
I'm
a
gonna go
holiday, yeah.
finish dealing with the flushing situation.
Yeah, because I need some water here soon.
Yeah, I switched it over
Okay.
so you can use it. So anyway, we'll be back. She's exhausted. That dog right there. She's exhausted.
I think this is the first time I've sat at this table all this trip.
Yeah. That dude.
Bro, one hit dead.
That dude.
You guys want some M&Ms?
No, they can't eat M&Ms through the video.
Oh yeah, though.
Okay.
M&Ms though.
Okay. Paige is getting in the shower because she's all wet from the rain.
Yeah.
You just put M&Ms in your mouth?
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, Paige, go get dressed.
The shower's not warm yet.
Well, I told you it would take a little bit.
You said it would take 5 minutes.
Get it in the freezer.
Get in the freezer.
Anyway, we're going to a cave tomorrow. We're tired.
Hey,
we're calling it a
hey,
day
guys, you want
today.
some more M&Ms?
We're done.
Bye.
Some more M&Ms?
They don't. Later. See you tomorrow.
You're hungry.
We're going to a cave
Hungry.
tomorrow.
Hungry.
Okay. Later.